Boots on the ground, putting it down, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. Special researcher Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. Thank you very, very much, my friends. The Scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. My friends, you are responsible for your own funds. Even though you may make a lot of money, you don't give it to me, right? You give it to the tax man or tax woman, my friends. I've got some good news for you today. The good news is we did very, very well. Was it a turnaround day? Can we follow through? Can uranium stocks follow through? I will talk about that here in a minute. I don't know, but there's a lot of good things, guys, happening kind of behind the scenes, shall I say, that we will hear about in days, weeks, and months to come. That's kind of what's going on right now, I think, with uranium. Many more countries are jumping on board. You know, there's a lot of restarts going on out there. Governments left and right, north, south, east, and west are saying, hey, we got to include uranium in on this. You know, the cycle, the fuel cycle from the bottom to the top is just price-wise is just rising, guys. So sooner or later, our stocks will be hit, and they're going to be hit in a big way. You know, you look back to 2004 and 5 and 6 and 7. That market, when I traded that market, that uranium market, that bull market, it was a big bull market. Made a lot of money. Did my thing. You know, it was all good. But we want to kill it though this time. But guys, when I say make a lot of money, all that's really relative, because stock trading is one of my loves, but it was like my third stream of income, you know. And when you're raising a family and all, and you know, you use that money for your vacation money, like our baby knockouts are vacation money. Pennies and patience, guys, is what we practice. We can really you can do well. You can do well. I don't want to labor on that. I'm going to show you some charts. We're going to show you some things here in a second here. Also, you guys didn't know you were coming to a book release party, or shall we say a book cover party. Is that what they're having now when authors come out with books? And I don't know. It's been so many different ones that people want to do different things. I'll just show you the cover tonight. And many of you will be getting an email. So check your email. My private students, you will get an email, and you will have a little extra in there. So look out for that here, look out for it tonight, tomorrow, day, or whenever you check your email. Definitely check that out, my friends. But a lot's going on. You know, with this uranium trade, we're locked and loaded. We have great companies right now, the same as we're transferring over to lithium. As we segue over to lithium right now, we're getting some great plays. We're getting in early. We're cherry picking these companies, and I think we're going to do fantastic in lithium also, guys. And right, it's behind lithium. What's behind lithium? Gold and silver, right? It's behind lithium right now. It doesn't look like Bitcoin and cryptos are going to get up anytime soon, but they will get up. But they're hurting right now. But we'll see how that goes, guys. But let's take a look at the charts, and let's take a look at the book cover, and we will see what we have going on. There's a sneak peek. Lithium penny stocks. Low risk, high reward investing. That's what you guys do. That has the latest lithium baby knockouts in it, guys. Make sure you get your copy. Guys, it's really no secret out there. You get a Mickey D book early, and within the first year or so, and you're probably going to get broken off. If you've made some trades with us, here in the past. You know, we were way ahead in the cannabis area, and then we got our money and we're gone. We were way ahead with the cryptos. We got our money and then we were gone. Some of you have gotten your money with uranium and you're gone. But this is a longer term trade than the others, guys. This trade here is a trade that the world is looking forward to. Put it that way. You know, with the Chinese and buying. And I've been telling for years they've been going to Africa and buying everything. So it is what it is, guys. This is the QQQs. They've been showing a little strength here lately. The general market is weak. It's below its 200-day moving average. It's not the holy grail, guys. We just use it as a barometer. It's an area we can judge. Usually, it's a great support and resistance area, this 200-day moving average up here, and we're way below it. Stocks below it have the tendency to stay below it and trade sideways. When they go above it, then we start looking at them a little harder. Let's look at the S&P 500 SPY. It's below its 200-day moving average, well below. But it's been a good week, guys. It can all be wiped out in an hour at the end of the day on a Friday. But it's been, an up week, and it looks like things are trying to turn up. Don't hold your breath. What about the Sprott Physical Uranium Trust? We had a couple good days here, guys. Like I said, I don't know if we're going to be able to do the follow through like we really want to until we go over this 200-day moving average, which we're a lot closer than the general market. We're not going to be going north, guys. The miners still down below their 200-day moving average, even though we like I said, we're having better days. They're not quite the volume that we want, kind of lighter volume. Let's look at our leader, Cameco. It was over its 200-day moving average for a while there, and then it pulled back. But I think Cameco will lead the way as we head back on up, if that's the direction we're going in. But we do have some resistance here at that 200-day moving average. Let's see if we can blast right through it, guys. What about, let's look at Energy Fuels. Energy Fuels is below its 200-day moving average also. It's had a day or so. It's had a good day, but that's just, is it going to be able to follow through? This stock has a lot of potential. You guys know it's one of my favorite stocks, and I have a lot of shares of it, but that doesn't mean that I won't sell it. I don't fall in love with any of these stocks. You guys recall when it was 12, 13, and I told you I was selling some of this stuff, and I did. And it's come back down, but I expect it to go back up to those lofty levels probably here in the next year or so. I definitely think it's going to go back up to those levels, guys. UEC, Uranium Energy Corp, it is closing in also. It's 200 days, below its 200 day right now, but it has been trading a little sideways. I think UEC is going to bounce. It's going to be a big winner. This baby knockout, guys, is going to be a big winner. If you're not in UEC right now, now maybe when it's under its 200-day moving average and kind of laboring a little bit, maybe a good time to take a second look at it, guys. Denison Mines, I've traded this in a couple uranium bull markets. You guys know the deal. I've told you time and time again. It goes down to $1, and it'll go back up to $2, $2.50, $2.75. It'll come back down to $1.70 or so. It's very, very volatile, and it's going to be doing this. It was up 10% on Thursday, guys. It's very volatile. Next Gen, also, guys, full disclosure, I do own all these stocks under its 200-day moving average. Good day, volume kind of, average, kind of lackluster there a little bit. It's going to do well. Next Gen with their big deposit, it's going to do well. It's going to lead the way also, guys, when this thing gets rolling. Fission. Take a look at this Fission. One more. So Fission's going to now. I think Fission is at it was up big, 11% Thursday. 50 cents USD. I believe we introduced Fission at what was that? I was at I was at Planet 13 when we came out and said, hey, look to Fission at about 19 cents or so, and we still like it. We still think it's going to do much better. We think it's going to go much higher. Can these stocks follow through? We shall see. It's going to be a rough road, guys, but we'll see. I think there's a lot of momentum there. There's a lot going on there for these stocks. But you private students, look for those lithium baby knockouts and take a look at them. We have 10 new ones in the book. And you private students, take a look at your email and you'll have some goodies in there. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family, guys. Peace.